left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
Hey, baby.
Hi, baby.
Look at, they cut off the wrong finger.
That sounds like your dad's jokes to me.
Hey.
How you doing, baby?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Doc,
Still in pain.
are you in pain? Dr. Goste said that your hip was so much worse than any of the tests showed, that he's so glad you did the full hip replacement, and it was so needed. He said once you got in there, it like the test didn't even do it justice on how bad your hip was.
Really?
So he said you're going to be so much happier, and that everything went really well.
Good.
2 hours.
Wow, it's 2 hours. How are you doing?
Oh, just happy to see you. That's all that matters. I love you so much.
So they were putting me in the boot, and then I think that's when I was getting my thing. I said, all right, got doctor, good. And then I was out, and I woke up, and they're like, I'm like, how's it going? Everything good? And they're like, you're in recovery. And it was like a minute. It felt like nothing.
Yes, sir.
I still kind of feel like my hip feels pre-surgery. Is that normal? Like it still kind of has that dull aching pain.
Yeah.
Is that normal?
Dull aching pain is normal. You might get pain down in the thigh. That's normal because we don't cut the muscles, we stretch them. So it's normal to get like some spasm and pain down there. The groin pain and the grinding and all that will be gone.
So wait, you want to just stand up?
He's ready to go. I like
He
it.
is.
As I said, I'm a little bit of a overachiever when it comes to this. That's why I want to listen to you versus.
All right. So before we even stand up, go ahead and scoot forward a little bit more. Let's get both feet firmly on the ground. As we go to stand up, you're going to use mainly your left leg as we go to stand up. Okay.
Okay. I keep my right leg on the floor though?
Yeah.
Go ahead and sit up here.
That was about that.
Your left hip cracked?
Did you hear it?
Good job,
And
babe.
just breathe. Get used to being upright. Get used to stretching out.
I can't put a little weight on it.
Yeah, go for it.
Doing amazing.
Yeah.
Look at you go.
If your head starts feeling funny, you know what I mean.
No, I feel even better.
You can do whatever makes you happy. As long as you don't start falling.
Yay. So far, so good.
And push up.
And I don't go to the next one. I just
Not yet. Yeah, let's just do one at a time.
Look at this. Oh man.
What's your pain at, babe?
0.
Are you kidding me?
Like I feel like I could jog up these stairs.
Well, let's not try that yet. I am so proud of you.
What?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, turn towards the wall.
This is going to be life-changing for him.
When you go down, all the weight is on the strong leg. And then you can use that arm to. You don't obviously have to go quick like that.
Down.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna be here.
Already doing stairs? Are you kidding me? Look at you, babe.
Oh my gosh.
Are you a new man?
This is crazy.
Look at you.
Just grab that.
See, you're
Can I do it
gonna
again?
be fine in the
No, we
RV.
don't need to do it again.
Babe, it's nothing like the waddle you had. I'm telling you, it's nothing like it was.
You got your hips back.
That's insane. Oh, I'm so excited. So, surgery went well. I made it out, and we just pulled back to the RV. So now I got to use my walker.
All right.
See if we can get in
So
there.
you do it. You be careful. Do you need this close to you?
A little bit closer than that. There we go.
Look at you.
And that's how it's done.
Yeah,
All right.
we're ready. We're gonna work.
So I have like a tactical ice pack on. Hooks around my thigh, hooks around my waist. Nice and easy. I get a walker to help me support just for a few days. a couple things. They tell me to put my feet about shoulder length apart and rock from side to side. Yeah, absolutely. Look at this. I'm doing good. Hey, baby. I love you. Oh, I made it home. Honestly, it was so easy. I'll tell you the story once we get in some AC.
Okay, so you remember how to slowly do this
Yeah,
and what you do first?
You do your good hip first. Oh, tips and tricks. After hip surgery, they say good up, bad down. Good guys go up, bad guys go down.
So good foot first,
So
up.
good for first.
Bad foot
and
for.
turn.
Okay.
Just like that. Nice
Look
and
at
easy.
you. People said you wouldn't be able to do it. How's it feel?
Boom.
Woohoo!
But there's like no pain, right? No more pain.
Oh my
No
gosh,
more
she's
pain.
like
I
a
was
different
sore, but not
person.
pain.
It's like a different person, legit.
Well, look at.
So we're gonna keep you posted on Brad's recovery in the motorhome, but day one out of the hospital, came right up the steps like you guys saw in the motorhome, and
We made it.
made
I'm
it.
home.
You made it. Day one. So proud of you.
So now I'm gonna go take a nap, relax.
Let's see if you can recoup in the motorhome, no problem. Let's give it a try. I already set up your bedroom. Do you need help up?
No.
Do you want this closer?
So you just put most of the weight on the good leg to stand up. Do my little rock side to side because he's
Be gentle.
gets the blood flowing a little bit.
Okay.
And I can put a little bit more weight on it.
All right. I'm gonna go in front of you and follow you up.
Yeah, I don't want to slide the walker too much
Yes, please don't.
inside.
Mm-hmm.
They said that's how you're supposed to use it, is slide it.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't want to do it in the house.
Don't you just lift up the back and let the wheels take it, right?
Yeah, it just doesn't do much either.
Can you fit the walker in the bathroom? Do you want to fit the walker in the bathroom? This is good questions.
I might be able to, but I think I'm in the way.
Do you want me to help you get it in?
It's like doing a couch.
Look at you.
But, like, where am I going to go once I get in there?
Do you want to use my arm? How about you use my shoulders? Use my shoulders, and I can record.
We're going to do a conga line.
Conga line.
Alright, so I do literally one step at a time. So
Okay, you just tell me
one
when.
more step. There you go. Oh, we're good. We can keep going. We're doing good.
Kylie's staring at us like, what are we doing?
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, this is step up, baby. Be
Yeah, so
careful.
I'm gonna do my good foot.
Okay.
Step up.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna come away with you.
And you you put as much weight on me as you need to.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna try to get on over there and swivel.
Okay.
I want to put that big heavy pillow like down here where he said.
I will take you up.
The only thing I really want to take off is my socks.
Okay. And then do you want to lean that here and the bed?
Yeah, I
or
could
do you want to
probably make it
lean?
I could probably make this. This isn't that bad. I mean, no, actually,
Just be careful, don't overdo
I
it.
just want to support. You know?
Okay, and then when you come to sit down, make sure that you sit slow.
And then he said, switch back as far as I can.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then support this knee
Mm-hmm.
when I spin.
Slow. Just go nice and slow. Nice job, babe. Whew. And I'll get you all organized. You just stay there. So, what do you think? You're going to be able to recover in our motorhome, no problem?
I think so. All right, we're at physical therapy day number 1. It's day 2 after surgery. Pretty much laid in bed all day yesterday. Got up to go to the bathroom a few times in the RV. But I'm gonna start recording more inside the bus, so that way you guys can see how I get around. Walker fits in the living room, but not so much in the bathroom or bedroom at all. So I just use whatever I can use to hold myself up between the bed and dresser, shower doors, walls, countertops. But it seems to be working pretty well.
You've been very creative and resourceful.
Been getting around a little bit. All right, see how I do.
You're going to do great.
It's been a couple days. I had a couple sessions of PT. They want me to be walking more and more in the coach as much as I can. So here you go. I'm going to give you a little preview of my latest walking ability. So here we go. this is what I do. I concentrate on walking from the front of the bus to the back of the living room. Because I can't really get the walker through the door of the bathroom. But every time I'm up out of bed and I need to use the restroom, I do laps. 4 or 5 laps there, back each way. Today's Sunday, so tomorrow is 1 week post-op. I've definitely been icing it and elevating it, and trying to be off my feet as much as possible. Still have soreness. Still rely on the walker. I can definitely move it. It feels good. The thigh is really sore. Up here's a little sore. Lower butt is a little sore. Definitely get some bruising going on. Graphic content. It's actually a lot less than it was yesterday. Scar. So today's another PT day. Jen gets to drop me off.
Bye. Have good PT.
Leg lifts. Well, nice and easy. Toe pointed, leg straight, lock knee, hold it for 2, back down.
So today's another PT day. Jen gets to drop me off. Nice and easy. Toe pointed, leg straight, lock knee, hold it for 2, back down.
Trying to get some real-time footage here as I'm recovering. So I'm laying in bed. Jen hooks me up. I got all my goodies, my medicine, because I'm a candy fanatic. Got my iPad, my water jug, remote, YouTube, and my phone. But let me tell you, this thing right here, this strap belt, has been the biggest help for me to get in and out of bed. So I'm going to try to make my way into the other room here. Let me tell you, these upper cabinets right here have been like amazing for me to help sit up and get up out of bed. So, you know, the walker doesn't fit in this little area here. So I have to try to use whatever I got to make it work, to lean on and support myself. Of course. The camera showing you guys what I go through doesn't make it much easier, but I'm only going right through this doorway here into our restroom. Look at this. This makes it nice right here. I can grab the top of the toilet, or grab the top of the toilet, grab the top of the shower. They told me bad leg first, and then good leg to go down any stairs descending. And there we go. Just limping on into here. Sophie got trapped in here.
Oh, Sophie, I got your refreshed ice pack.
Thank you, baby. Thank you for taking care of me. I'm going to use the restroom, so if you want to take YouTube.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
If no one wants to see that. Hi, Noelle.
Hi.
And got all of his medicine all set up and ice packs. But honestly, I feel like this is much easier to have the surgery and recover in the motorhome than I thought it would be. I'm very, very impressed. Love our bus. But yeah, and very proud of Brad. All right, so what do you tell everyone?
Like and subscribe. Follow along so that way you can see my recovery process and maybe I can start walking again. Hey guys, we're 10 days post-op and now I got to go for a walk. So we're going to go for a walk. Did it. 0.5. Half a mile today. Whew, that was a workout. Hey guys. So I just wanted to give a little update on my hip procedure. I no longer need to use my walker. I had my 2-week follow-up today, and they pulled the bandage off and said I can walk without the walker. Just keep focusing on my PT. I'm still no restrictions, but they want me to take it easy if I have to take any pain meds to not be able to drive. Also just be cautious on what I'm doing because of my reaction time, and I'm still healing, so I don't want to go too crazy with like splits and stuff. All right, who wants to see it? Who wants to see the scar? All right, if you don't want to see the scar, look away right now. Okay, here it is. That's it, about 4 inches, and it's healing nicely, and that's my scar. My whole hip, all my bruising has gone away officially, so I am free. I'm allowed to shower and wash it, and it's allowed to get wet now. Still not allowed to go swimming yet, that is a restriction. But other than that, everything's been amazing. So, walking normal, and so you can have a hip replacement in an RV and still have no problem recovering and healing and get the proper exercise. So do it if you need it. I waited way too long to do it, so do it. All right, bye.